we're getting down to serious business. So, you guessed it right. Chocolate, tempering, how do we do it? Let's make it happen. I'ma show you how. So you might ask yourself, why temper to chocolate? Why make things complicated? It's very simple. To be able to make beautiful glossy chocolate with a beautiful snap to it when you crack or bite into it, that's why you temper chocolate, to align those beautiful beta crystals inside of this mass. So let's get down to it. Let's make it happen. So we'll be using the seeding method today. What does this mean? You will be using 2/3 of your chocolate. I used in this case 300 grams, so 200 grams I'll be melting and keeping the 1/3 to the side, which is 100 grams. Melt this up and then we'll be using this to lower back the temperature to in between 31 and 32 degrees. For white chocolate this will be the same method, but then you will be lowering the temperature to in between 28 and 29 degrees. Let's make it happen. We have the chocolate melted. This is it. We're gonna melt it all the way, so stir, melt the chocolate, and then it will be reaching up to 40 to 45 degrees actually. Stir until all the chocolate drops are well melted. This distributes the temperature throughout the whole mass of chocolate as well. And then we're gonna be adding the 1/3 gradually. Add a few drops in there and keep on stirring. And this will be gradually lowering the temperature to where we need it, which is 32 degrees Celsius. And then we can go ahead and use the chocolate for whatever it is that we needed. In this case, we'll be making just a simple chocolate bar, the Dubai mold actually. So you can make your own Dubai chocolate bar. I'm gonna show you how. What am I doing here? I'm trying to get out all of the air that is at the bottom of the mold. We don't want that, otherwise you won't have the beautiful, nice and flat surface. So we're getting rid of all the air inside that's trapped. And now it's time to take it out of the mold. If we did a beautiful job, this would just slide on out very easy. And this, we're gonna flip it. That's our chocolate bar. Glossy, shiny, gorgeous. And for the crack, you'll hear it yourself. Damn.